How we doing? Brandon B over here on In the Paint pitching. Getting a little footage out here at the San Diego Auto Show. Vroom, vroom. Taking a day to enjoy the car space and some new cars today. Come with me.
I like the red one. It's different.
I think it's 4 because
How's it like?
Well, this is it, baby.
Spacious area with the Equinox. This one's sick in the back trunk.
This one's 40.
That back door room. Got the sunroof too. Oh, look at that sunroof. Beautiful. It's a 19 Traverse. MSRP at 55. It's got all the works too. Sunroof, power this, power that. Got all the built-in. This one's fat. It's the Traverse. Oh yeah, the hustle continues. Look at my man go.
Spell with the letter, starts like this, etc. Just guess. There's no wrong answers, only right answers. 60 seconds on the clock. Tell you what, we're gonna let this
I just like
go.
enthusiasm.
No, you guys lined up first. We're gonna give you the advantage to let you go second, and we're gonna make you go
That's
first.
the type of enthusiasm you have to have if you want to sell.
Here we go. On your marks.
Right.
Get set. Let's go. Okay, so with Chevrolet, you might want to get a brown interior or a black interior. You can get all different styles and designs. We allow you to blank your vehicle, make it specific to you. Different way to say it, different way to say it. Like, another way to say that. Did somebody say it? Personalized was the word. Somebody said it. Okay, look at me. All right, we have a safety feature here in Chevrolet. You push a button, you talk to a human.
On the sports cars. The Audi Sports.
they're over here.
It's a beauty. The S5. This tire's sick. Man, there it is. There it is.
That's the Audi.
Yeah, that's the one.
You like it?
It's on display. Dude, it's sick. It's like a sports car.
Yeah, it is. It's gorgeous.
The 55 Quattro. Wow, e-tron. Oh, I bet you it's all electric.
Power, dependability, capability, and efficiency. You can have it to full proportions with this broad-shouldered body style.
The beauty.
All electric Audi e-tron is
It's the A8. Guess we're done with the sexy sports cars. Let's go on to some, where are we going? The sedans, SUVs? Where are we headed? Oh, don't tell me the crossovers. Oh, no. It was really fun how packed it was, the amount of cars and brands there were, ambassadors, corporate people who were asking questions. They were giving answers. We had a lot of fun. Oh, this Durango's looking lovely.
Come on over, join us, and learn a little bit about electric vehicles. Wonderful. So how long have you been driving electric for? Almost 4 years now. What made you decide to switch from, seriously, I had no intention of driving and then I test drove a Tesla, and after a mile and a half of the test drive, I was like, no, The nice thing, I love there's so many things I like about it, but one is the crazy acceleration, even if you're driving other than tires.
Beautiful electric
Can you speak to
Audi.
the condition of the battery?
Open it
There's
up.
Kind of this reputation that batteries
Ah.
are super expensive to replace and then it goes
Locked.
out super
Can't get in.
soon.
It looks freaking gorgeous. Look at that.
Oh my God, it's a beauty.
Look at that all digital screen. Can't even see it.
Oh, there's one in the. Yeah.
All digital screen. That looks nice.
They did have issues, but with the newer batteries, they're expected to go
The S Quattro, e-tron.
without having to be replaced. So I know with Teslas, they offer an 8-year unlimited mileage warranty battery.
That's what they're not.
They're still testing right now, but it's looking like mid to high 200s.
Oh, wow.
Because it is regenerative braking and it's
25,000
got
mile
a very
warranty on the battery.
competitive
So they're pretty thirsty.
So
We just out here enjoying ourselves at San Diego Auto Show, loving life. All right, gotta love those cars. Gotta look at the new 2019s and meet a lot of the corporate brand representatives. One of the corporate guys said that they don't send out local auto dealers anymore. They feel too salesy, too pressury. And I said, LOL. Woo, look at that beautiful Lincoln.
Back to see them. Just want to knock it on. Go right there.
What? Wanted to see kind of what they had in case they had a cheaper drink, you know.
No, yeah, for sure. But I'm just saying, like, just check them out.
Okay, go ahead. I'll be right back. And the MSRP is $47 on the Acura 19 RDX. The interior, a lot of spacious room. The dream starts when you come inside. Define your ride. Those doors. Spacious room back here. A little trip. Got a little spacious back end too. Get some folks.
However, there's more. Right here at your center console houses your Buick Intelligence. Accessing your cargo room is now going to be easier than ever before.
See that Fast and Furious?
Normally, when you approach
Wow, it's beautiful. Look at those doors.
that shows you exactly where to take your place.
You need to get your ass up out this car. There's people in front of you.
Once you're around baggage, you push another button.
Look twice.
Now last but certainly not least, of course, being aware that this vehicle does come with a plethora of safety features. We even offer some
MSRP 500K. Go ahead. I was just gonna shoot it real quick. Go ahead, babe. Get in shotgun.
Wait, wait.
No, he said you can get in.
Not only on the driver.
Only on the driver? Oh, okay. Man, look at that bad boy. Look at inside. Ooh. Man, there's no back seat. But ooh. How's it feel, Monty? Huh? Good. Bye, babe.
In within you, out with you.
5. Okay.
She said, be quiet. It's a mean
She didn't want you to rush her. That's all.
in a mean tone.
Don't worry.
I want to see that black and white, the white one over there, the black and white one. 33.
33 MSRP.
Not bad.
Until next time, guys, on In the Paint Pitching, like, comment, subscribe, keep watching, and keep watching all the other videos as well. We'll keep these videos rolling out. Thanks again. God bless.
These are bigger. These are more luxury, but that
just saw
black
that
one over there is nice. The black, the white with the black trim, and the one in the front over here